Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use a wired PS4 controller on your Xbox 360. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So for today's video, we're going to be needing a couple of things. The first thing we're going to be needing is a Cronus Max Plus, or just a normal Cronus Max will also work in this case, I believe. I'll be leaving links to this in the description down below. And this is going to be the USB dongle / adapter we're going to be using to convert our PS4 signal into our Xbox to make it think it's an actual Xbox controller. The second thing we're going to be needing is of course the PS4 controller and the cable for the PS4. So just a normal micro USB cable will work just fine here. And the last thing we're going to be needing is a wired Xbox 360 controller. Now it is important that it's an actual wired controller and not just a wire that actually plugs in and charges your Xbox 360 controller. It has to be a legit Xbox 360 wired controller. I'm not sure if third-party ones work in this case. In my case, I was testing with an official one. However, it may work fine with an external one as well. From this point, what we're going to be doing is grabbing our Cronus Max. We're going to be plugging our USB cable included in the box into the PC program port on the side of our Cronus Max. And we're going to be connecting this up to our PC. Once our PC opens up, what we're going to be doing is opening up the Cronus Mac software. We're going to be hovering over the top. We're going to be coming to Tools and then Options. We're going to be coming to the Device tab here on the top in our sections. From here, what we can do is set our protocol to either automatic or Xbox 360. Since I use it on multiple consoles, I'm just going to be leaving it on automatic. Although if you seem to be having any issues, I'd recommend just setting it to Xbox 360. After this, we can simply close it and then we're ready to jump over to our Xbox. So what we're going to need to do is make sure our Xbox is turned on, and I'd recommend staying on your dashboard for the moment. What we're going to be doing is plugging our Cronus Max into any USB port on our Xbox 360, and we're going to want our Cronus Max to flash from A to U, which means automatic, and that's exactly what we need from this point. What we're going to be doing from now is plugging our wired Xbox 360 controller into our adapter. From this point, you'll see a solid 0 on your Xbox 360. Our adapter is now synced to our Xbox, and our adapter now thinks that any controller plugged in here is going to be emulating or actually using the source of the Xbox 360 controller. Once your Cronus Max has 0 on top of it, we can simply plug out our Xbox 360 controller, and now what we're going to be doing is grabbing our PS4 controller. We can simply have the USB cable connected directly to our PS4 controller, plug it in, turn it on, and then your controller should connect no problem. Our Cronus Max should go back to 0 on top of the cable, and then we should be good to go. From this point, you can scroll around your Xbox, you'll see everything will connect up just fine, and just like that, you're using your PS4 controller on your Xbox 360. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to use a wired PS4 controller on your Xbox 360. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.